Hi everyone, welcome to Notion Press at the New Delhi World Book Fair 2025. Today I'm here with Her Majesty Princess Aplinder Kaur, author of
Gurupurab Mubarak.
Gurpurab Mubarak. So what inspired you to write a book like this?
Yeah, so basically, this is for a social cause that nowadays parents don't have enough time to teach children about the basic fundas called Sikhi or basic fundas of like living, like Kirat
Right.
Karo Naam Japo and One Japo. That is the basic funda. So we have tried to amend all those things in a book so that it's easier for children to understand and connect as well.
Right.
Other than that, we are streamlining few more books that are like basically on a social cause. One of these is for the basic knowledge about Golden Temple, and other one we are bringing just by end of the February. It's about the bullying, which is a
Okay.
very highlighted topic these days.
Yeah, that is
Yeah.
sure. Yeah.
So that's one thing, that how you can pop up with that
Right.
thing. How can you get that strength,
Right.
basically? Yeah.
Right.
So these kind of social causes are something which are supposed to be highlighted.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
So who are these books mainly for? I mean, of course, it's a children's book, but
Yeah.
like, do you like target the parents when you talk about this book? Is this their responsibility?
Basically, it's their responsibility as well, because parents need to put the basic values in their children. So this is basically the responsibility for the children as well as for the community. This can be a elder brother or sister who are like who want to give their younger siblings or their younger children a basic kind of values.
Right.
Yeah.
So, what is the one thing a reader of this book can take away from it?
Be very mindful about what you do. Whatever you do it with the full heart. And the last thing is, you have to share everything that you have.
That is wonderful. I think this is a great book for children. Thank you so much for coming here and thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
That was
Thank you.
wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.